Do you want to read messages on X or Twitter without letting others know? In this video, I will show you how to disable read receipts on X app step by step so you can read messages privately without notifying the sender. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app, as you see. In this page, you'll find this window here, so you will tap on above on the sign of profile. You will click on profile. Then you will move to settings and support. In this page, you will click on settings and privacy. Then here in this page, you will find this window of privacy and safety, so we click, and then here we go to chat settings, and in this page of chats you will scrolling down until you find this sign here of send read receipts, so we click to disable send receipts. As you see, if it changed like this, then you can know how to disable it in easy way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.